In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to put center marks on your pallets so that way every single one of them are even. Coming up. What is up, gang? Matt with Mikey Designs here. Let's dive right into that tutorial. Okay, you're gonna need three things to be able to get your center line and make sure every single one of your center lines are in the same exact spot on every single pallet, at least in the sense that you're putting your center line in the same spot where your screen is going to be dead on center with every single one of them. You're going to need yourself a ruler, a marker, magic marker, a black magic marker, and then you're going to need a screen ready to go with center marks like we have here. You can go and get our registration template, which has these center marks on there, for $5 if you need a little help with that. I'll leave a link down in the description so that way you can find that registration template. That's right, it's $5. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the center marks on this pallet here. My pallets are 16 by 18, so I know that the center of the pallet is going to be 8 inches. And that's all I like to do is put a center line. So I'm going to find 8 inches here, put a little mark. 8 inches here, put another mark. Then I'm going to take my ruler and then draw me a center line. Okay, now that we have that all taken care of, we're going to take our screen and then we're going to use these little center marks here to line this up center with the marks I just drew on the pallet. And with this particular print, I wanted about 3 fingers down or 2.5 inches from the collar. So I'm going to adjust that as well. Okay, I got everything nice and center. It might look a little skewed from your angle, but as I'm looking over the top of it, it's dead on center. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to rotate to our next station. Put our screen down. And then we're going to take our magic marker and we're just going to allow that to saturate through the screen onto the pallet. And now we got a couple marks, so that way we know it is center with our graphic. It might not be 100% center if I took the ruler and stuck it on the pallet, found 8 inches and drew a center line. This is going to guarantee that every single one of your pallets has a center line that you can go off to align your shirt on, making sure that every single one of your shirts are nice and center and straight. So I'm going to move on and do this to the remaining 4 pallets. Okay, now we have our 2 little dots that we can go off of, and then we're going to draw center lines down each pallet. And there we have it. Every single one of these will be spot on every single station that you have on your press, whether you have 2 stations, 4 stations, 6 stations, 8 stations. Doesn't really matter how many stations. It's going to be nice and center on every single one of them. Damn you airplanes! Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment, just even if it's a hello. Also, don't forget we're an official rep for Catspit Productions, so if you need screen printing supplies or equipment, use our promo code Mikey Designs at catspitscreenprintsupply.com. Also, don't forget that we host a live show on Monday. It's a little Q&A for screen printers. We bring up certain topics. It's a lot of fun for Shannon the Shop Gnome, myself, and everybody that tunes in. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.